Not rinsing cleaners thoroughly after use leaves residues that continue to break down finishes and attract dirt. When cleaning surfaces, start by identifying the material and reading the product label to match cleaner to surface, then remove loose debris with a soft brush or microfiber cloth before applying any product. For chemical cleaners, work in a well-ventilated area and use minimal product. Apply it with a damp cloth, let it sit only as long as the label recommends, and then rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove residues that can discolor or degrade finishes. For baked-on grime or soap scum, use gentle mechanical action with a non-abrasive pad and repeat short cycles rather than aggressive scrubbing, which damages coatings. If you need stronger chemistry, try a diluted solution and test it first. Always perform a discrete test patch in an inconspicuous spot to confirm color fastness and finish compatibility, then wait the full test time to inspect results. When dealing with metal surfaces, dry them immediately after rinsing to prevent water spots and corrosion. And for porous surfaces like natural stone, avoid acidic cleaners and use pH-neutral products specifically formulated for the material. For fabric cleaning, pre-treat stains with an appropriate spotter, blot do not rub, and follow with a full rinse or extract with clean water to remove any detergent residue that can attract new soil. Common mistakes are not rinsing cleaners off, which leaves a sticky or cloudy film that draws grime back quickly, so always flush the surface with clean water and dry it. Using abrasive tools like steel wool or hard scrubbing pads, which create micro scratches that trap dirt and ruin finishes, so switch to non-abrasive pads or soft microfiber and use chemical breakdown instead of brute force. And skipping test patches, which leads to unexpected discoloration or etching on visible areas. So always test in an out-of-sight area and wait the recommended evaluation time before proceeding. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for cleaning and renovation needs and to help contractors find new work opportunities. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and product experiences related to cleaning pitfalls and surface care.